Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Rani. So today I wanted to tell you about the NEET PG counseling in the Andhra Pradesh state. I belong to Andhra Pradesh state. So today I wanted to tell you the process. It's the reminder thing. Today is the last date to apply for the Andhra Pradesh state counseling. So we'll go through the details and the process about the Andhra Pradesh state. So who are all eligible for the Andhra Pradesh state counseling? So who are the state locals of the Andhra Pradesh, and for management quota everyone can apply. So about the NEET PG counseling process, both round 1, 2 and the third round, that is mop-up round, we'll see the prospectus and user guidelines. So let us look into the AP registration process online. For registration, you should fill these details regarding the registration. Need hall ticket number, name and date of birth. All these things you should fill up. After that, go back and click on the login button present here. User ID will be sent to your phone number. So you should enter your user ID and the password which you have created. After that, go into the services and click on the application submission. Then your details, after clicking on the application submission, you should enter all these details, personal details and later payment details. Next, local or non-local, and you should upload all the required. After completion of your personal details like name, address and all, next step is payment methods. These are the methods for the payment. After that, you should select a local or non-local. So there are three categories of students: Andhra University, SVU region and the non-local, and maybe studied from Siddhartha Medical College, Vijayawada. If you are OU local and you can't apply for this PG counseling of AP region, either you should select this APNL or migrated from Telangana to Andhra Pradesh. If you are claiming local status, if migrated from Telangana to Andhra Pradesh, you should upload the files relevant here. Minimum 10 years of study certificate of either parents, or a residency certificate. So if you are a MBBS student studied from the Medical College Vijayawada, and you should upload all the certificates from class 6 to 12 in these formats. After that step, you should upload all the relevant documents necessary for this counseling, that is a NEET PG scorecard and birth certificate in the, that is a SSC marks memo, and a photo identity card, Aadhaar card preferably, and original or provisional MBBS pass certificate, MBBS study certificate, and transfer certificate or migration certificate, and internship completion certificate, and medical counseling council registration certificate. And if you are a service category student, you should upload the service certificate. After uploading all those required documents, that is the end of the application process. So now we'll go through the counseling process. Phase 1 counseling. The seat matrix will be displayed in the university website. So all the candidates who are appeared in the merit list are eligible for this phase 1 counseling. So there is no limit for exercising web options. So if the candidate is not interested in joining the particular college, they are not advised, they are advised to not exercise options. So after the candidate get selected, they have to download the provisional allotment order with the paying of a fees of 23,600, and you should download the allotment order. So the joined candidates of the phase 1 counseling are eligible for upgradation in the phase 1 and phase 3, that is a mop up rounds. The candidates who reported the allotted seat in the phase 1 can opt out for a free exit without that is without paying any fees. So there is no doubt about the phase 1 counseling, all are eligible. And coming to the phase 2 counseling, who are all eligible for the phase 2 counseling process? All the candidates who have been allotted in the phase 1 and who also reported, and who has been allotted but not allotted in the phase 1 counseling, and all the candidates who have been allotted but not reported can also opt for free exit and participate in the phase 2 counseling. But there is a catch here. If the candidate has not joined or resigned in the phase 1 counseling, that particular seat will not be available for exercising as web option in the phase 2 counseling. You should know regarding this. One joined or reported, those who candidates joined or reported, that seat will be the default last option. If they didn't get anything upgradation, they will retain a phase 1 seat. Okay, joined candidates can be eligible for mop up round, all the upgradation till mop up round. So if the candidates got upgraded in the phase 2, then he has no claim over the phase 1 seat. So there is a chance for free exit till the phase 1 round, okay? Sorry, phase 2 round. So now coming to the phase 3, that is a mop up counseling. So this year, the Andhra Pradesh state has introduced a refundable security deposit of 50,000 rupees for the phase 3 counseling. So this has not there in the last year's counseling. They have introduced newly this thing to avoid the seat blocking. So who are all eligible for the phase 3, that is a mop-up counseling? All the candidates who have been allotted, who has been allotted and reported to the phase 1 and phase 2 seat, and all the candidates who have not been allotted in any previous rounds, and all the candidates who have been allotted in the phase 1 and phase 2 but not reported or not joined at the allotted colleges, joined but resigned from the allotted seat through the free exit. So you should remember here also that the phase 1 and phase 2 not joined or reported in the phase 1 and phase 2, that that particular seat will not be available for exercising web options in the phase 3 or mop up round. So please remember this. So you should remember that joined candidates who are holding a seat in the phase 1 and phase 2 or in the mop-up round of the state counseling are not eligible for the stray round or any other further rounds in the further rounds. Okay. So they are not also eligible for the management quota counseling, regardless of whether they have reported to the allotted college or not. All the joined candidates of All India quota up to the round 3 counseling will be blocked for state phase 3 and the mop up round, and also for the stray counseling of both the competitive quota and the management quota, even if they have excised web options. So be careful about this. So candidates allotted or upgraded in this competitive quota in the phase 3, irrespective of their reporting status, they will be blocked for participating in the management quota phase 3, even if they have excised web options. So candidate holding a management quota seat allotted a seat under competitive quota in the phase 3, they must compulsorily report. Okay. If the candidate is allotted a seat in the phase 3, he has to compulsorily report the allotted seat. Otherwise, this 50,000 refundable will be forfeited. Okay. So, coming to the stray vacancy counseling, who are all eligible? Who are not holding any seat in the any previous rounds, they are eligible, and the candidates who have been allotted but not joined in the phase one, phase two of the state and all India quota are eligible to participate in this counseling. Okay, the candidate who have not registered and no choice locked in the phase 1 or phase 2 or a phase 3 online counseling will be permitted to attend stray round of online counseling. But note, it's a risky thing. So who are all not eligible? Please listen this carefully. Candidates who are holding a seat in the round 1, 2, 3 of the state counseling are not eligible, and the candidate who is holding a seat allotted in the round 1, 2, and the round 3 in the All India quota are also not eligible. And candidates who have been allotted but not joined in the phase 1, 2, and phase 3 of the state counseling and All India counseling. So, if the candidate has allotted in the previous rounds but not joined, they are also ineligible. The candidates who have been allotted in the stray round of All India quota are not eligible to participate in the stray round of this state counseling. Okay, the candidates allotted a seat in the mop up round of the state counseling or not joined and not joined the seat cannot participate in the further rounds of state counseling. This is the brief overview regarding the counseling process. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos.